Now, as I am walking home, you wanna know what the fuck I see? Really wanna fucking know? Huh? I'm gonna fucking do this bitch up. I see a fucking bird. I see a fucking bird. We're gonna go pet the bird. I'm gonna try to go near the bird. You big bird? Big bird? Big bird? Big bird? A big bird. God damn it. It's going towards my house. Oh God. Oh fucking hell. Oh God. Oh God. Oh fuck, there's a fucking bee. Oh, there's a wasp around my head, going around my head. Oh shit, it's going into my backyard. Fuck, fuck. Oh my God. I'm still frozen. This is where I am. If you guys think I'm this close. I'm so close to it now. Fuck. This is so stupid. I'm so stupid. Don't try this at home. Oh, that thing can fly. How is he recording that thing?
You're the one that's chasing it around.
Yes, I am.
Don't chase the bird.
No, I wasn't chasing it. Like I wasn't too close. I walked past it, and second time I walked past it, I recorded it from afar.
Alright.
I wasn't.
Don't chase it.
I saw it fly, and that it must have been you that scared it. It must have saw you. It flew away. No, it right when it came over here, it flew. And I was like, say the bird is by that flower, and I would be like this far away from it. Like the only time I got close to it is when it walked by me and it chased me. Yeah, but because I started recording because it started chasing me. Because I was like, oh crap. Like, sorry my intro, I was getting chased. Like I didn't record it. I wasn't recording until it stopped chasing me. Because I was too scared if I tried to record it, I was going to drop my phone and it was going to take my phone away. Yeah, I wouldn't chase that type of bird. But I thought it was fight this bird. Oh, I gotta stop! No matter! Well, this became a house tour. This is a regular video. Do.
What are you barking at? Don't bark at. Stop.
Probably because they saw the bird. Casey! What's wrong, baby? What's wrong? What's wrong? Come on, Scooby. Come on, Scooby.